Welcome back to Sunday Funday, where we review our Webull Dividend Portfolio Spreadsheet. In this video, we're going to review our deposits, our purchases, and our dividends received. Currently, the value of our account is over $7,526, and we currently have a return of 15.3% and a total return of 23.79%, which isn't too shabby. The entire portfolio is going to generate $503.28 next year. We have currently received $557 in dividends total. As far as our deposits go, we have been kind of slow adding to this account, but we were able to deposit $500 in the month of November. It brings the total amount of money that we've put in to $5,700. As far as our purchases for the month of November, we added a total of 30 shares of Oxford Lane Capital Corp, which that brings the total number of shares up to 100. And then the first week of December, we added 1 share of Verizon. We also added 1 share of ExxonMobil. We added 11 shares of Energy Transfer and 1 share of Sunoco. We also added 2 shares of Realty Income Corp, and we were able to add 3 shares of QYLD with our dividend money. And that pretty much exhausted our $500. As far as our dividends received for the month of November, we received $4.05 from Oxford Lane, $9.60 from Verizon, $6.10 from Energy Transfer, $13.21 from Sunoco, $5.88 from Independent Bank, $2.36 from Realty Income, $1.50 from EPR Properties, and then $2 from Horizon. The dividend for QYLD didn't come till the 1st of December, so that's where that should go, is right there. So the total amount of dividends received for the month of November is $44.70, which is the highest that we've had this year. With our dividend money for that month, for the month of November, we added 1 share of Energy Transfer and 3 shares of QYLD. And then we're going to be able to add another share of QYLD because we have $31 now. So we've gotten to the point where we're receiving more dividends every month. So we're able to, my plan is to get each one of these stocks, like this Oxford Lane, Energy Transfer, QYLD, we're going to keep adding to QYLD for a little bit longer, but I'm going to try to only add to QYLD when we're close to our cost basis, because I don't want to get the cost basis too high, because that ETF doesn't change in price a whole lot, like as far as going up. So I only want to add to it when I'm lower so that the yield is higher. So my plan is as dividends come in, like as Oxford Lane's dividend comes in, I want to be able to buy 1 share of Oxford Lane. We're getting pretty close. We're at $7.50, so if the price drops a little bit, the next time we get paid, we should be able to add 1 share of Oxford Lane. And then that way, every month we're adding 1 share of this, which is going to increase the dividend payment amount. And that provides a pretty high yield of over 11%. That'll be a pretty quick compounder. As our higher paying stocks pay, we'll try to add 1 share of QYLD. I would like to get QYLD up over $10 every month. That way, every time QYLD pays, I can buy either ET or Oxford Lane. And then hopefully we'll be at a point where we're compounding pretty fast. The account is starting to add up quite a bit. We've been at it for almost 2 years now, 2 full years. I'm pretty impressed with what little bit of money we've put in there. We really capitalized on when the Rona situation happened. We were able to buy a lot of shares really cheap, and we've been fortunate that we did pick some that the value of the shares have gone up some. If you want to be able to start depositing more money into here, just because our return has been pretty good, and these are all higher dividend payers, so the yields on these ones are a lot higher than the other ones I have in my other accounts. So my goal with this account is to grow my passive income through dividends to where it's just an extra stream of income every month. And then hopefully every month I'll eventually be able to pay a bill with it. So as you can see, if we don't add anything to these stocks for the rest of the year, like next year, this account will generate $503.28, which is a monthly income of $41.94. So basically, I've created a little money printing machine, basically. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I do want to bring attention that it is the holiday season, and if you are enjoying these videos or find them helpful, I would like you to hit the thumbs up button. Also, I'd like you to check out the description down below, because we do have an affiliate link that'll help you support this channel. So if you bookmark that affiliate link, and when you shop on Amazon, a small portion of every purchase will get funneled back to us. This is Sunday Funday, where we review our Webull Dividend portfolio, our Roth IRA, our Fidelity Health Savings account, and our M1 Growth portfolio. If you're interested with opening a brokerage account with M1 Finance or Webull, there's links down in the description below where you can get a little extra cash or an extra free stock. So far, our total amount invested has gotten all the way up to almost $42,000, and it's generating $1,700 worth of income. If you want to see more investing videos, check out the links on the screen or over in the sidebar. Thanks for watching.